Boy is Benny.
My mama said she proud of me, ballin' just like Chef Career. Icon is how I see myself. Gotta get the fame, then I get the wealth.
It's your boy Rob.
It's your boy Sean.
And this is the Realest Hour. Yeah. Today we got another reaction video for y'all. One of my personal favorites, Mr. Commodore. And it's a compilation. Not gonna lie to you, kinda seen some of this. But, you know, I'm still gonna laugh. So I'ma just treat it as if it's my first time seeing this shit. I don't know if he's seen all of these things.
I think some of them, not all of them. But yeah, you can find him on Facebook, Instagram. He's a comedian.
Mr. Commodore.
Yeah.
But
make sure you like this video before you do anything.
like, comment, subscribe, hit that fucking notification bell. It should be popping up right now.
Ready, set, go.
So it's over?
Yeah, like pretty
It's
much.
done?
Yeah.
Okay, I swear, I only got one question and I promise I won't get mad.
What?
You love her?
Yes.
Fucking love her?
Get mad, what's wrong with
Since what? Since what? Since when we break up and you always say you come back to me.
Yo.
You fucking love her now?
I didn't know you was gonna get back with me. You kept saying you
Okay,
wanna be with
okay,
me.
so I got one question I promise I won't get mad.
What?
Do you love her more than me?
Yes, I feel like I love her more than you. Like I do.
That's how I'm a fucking love! Tell me now! Oh my God! Thank my God!
You're gonna be alright. You're gonna be alright.
Yo, they be
You can't.
Wait, where they at?
Yes, I fucking can! Yes, I could! Okay,
Yeah, but
please.
wait.
I fucking love her.
You love her for real?
What you want me to do? Stop following me, man.
Please, just, okay, just
What?
fucking love her!
Yo, she is dragging it. Oh, cross her shit.
I love her. Get the fuck out of here.
That's what you gotta do when she.
You gotta curl.
Yo, Kodak, listen. I got this idea. You can leave Offset on the beat, and you can leave Travis Scott on there. But it's gonna go like this: Fresh out, nigga, ain't nothing to go back. Fresh out, nigga, ain't nothing to go back. Fresh
this
out,
nigga's
nigga, ain't nothing to go back. What you think? You ain't saying that. Like, what you think? Like,
Nah,
I'm on the
Kodak
remix,
is
like
something
with the
wrong with
fresh
this
out,
nigga.
nigga, ain't nothing to the ZZ beat. What's up? You just gonna keep staring at me like you're not gonna say nothing.
And it's that
I
real
said you
time
can
too.
leave Travis Scott and
If he
Offset
was
on
really
the beat,
on the
like,
call like that, though, that shit would have been dumb funny.
yo, Kodak, say something. You just staring at me, my nigga. This shit's getting weird, B. Nasty hoe. All bad bitches.
Copyright.
I'm in a red Sachi road, fucking out all bad bitches. I want a new roast.
Copyright.
All bad bitches. Nasty hoe. All my wishes. Tell her
I'm a
go.
freak nasty nigga that'll grant all
No,
my
you
wishes.
don't. No, the fuck you
Why?
don't.
Why his
Why?
belly
You
like
just wanted
that?
that.
No,
You was just hype.
That was Meek Mill.
Don't let Meek Mill get you fucked up.
That was Meek Mill.
And
You bugging right now.
I want a freak nasty
Stop.
nigga that'll
Stop.
grant all my wishes.
I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here. What you want?
Yo, she rocking.
Not picking up on the first ring, giving me more of a reason, B.
Hello?
Hello?
What's up?
Why you let the phone ring like that? You cheating or something?
My phone only rung twice.
Oh, lower your voice, yo. You sound like you cheating on me.
I'm not even yelling. What's wrong with
Yo,
you?
it's over.
You bugging.
It's over. So what? Because your energy
It's
is
over
crazy
right now. It's
B.
over because I didn't pick up on the first ring. That's mad petty.
Nah, man.
So what
nah.
happened?
Nah, because you be liking niggas' pics and shit on Instagram and Facebook, man. Shit get me tight.
I don't even have social media.
So what? I know if you had an Instagram or Facebook, that's what shit you be doing.
No, I would not.
So what?
Shut up. Listen, I know you broke. I know you broke. You didn't show up on Thanksgiving. Christmas is coming now, and you broke. Just say you broke, and you can't buy nothing, so you try to break up with me. Just say you ain't got no money. Say it.
Yeah, I'm fucked up.
I know.
I was gonna break up with you and try to get back with you.
You mad petty.
New Year's or something, man.
Niggas had New Year's.
They said, I don't got it.
Don't worry
Boom.
about it. I'm gonna swipe.
No, you not. You gonna pay my fare? Oh my God, you a gentleman.
Oh, get the door for you.
Where? You opening doors and shit too? You is so fucking nice. I gotta meet your mother. You such a gentleman.
Let me get your chair.
You pull out chairs? What kind of man are you? A gentleman, I bet. I'm hungry, but I'm only gonna order a salad and a water, because I don't want to OD on your bread, you feel me?
Nah, you good.
You dead ass? I can order a steak?
You can order whatever you want.
That's why I need you in my life. You such a fucking gentleman. Let me get this phone call. bitch. Guess what? I'm mad happy. I just met the fucking man of my dreams. Niggas putting out chairs, opening doors and shit. I'ma fuck around and marry him. Let me get it. Let me.
I got it.
Gosh.
I got it.
You such a fucking gentleman.
I got it. This one right here.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Is there something I could do for you? Like suck your dick? You such a fucking gentleman. Come on, let me get it back. Let me help. Let me help.
I got it.
You just want to do everything. You got it. You got it, because you're a gentleman, right? Come hang this ass up. Come hang this ass up now.
Come hang this ass up. Oh, me. Oh.
I ain't gonna lie, no, I'm saying at first I was kind of scared. What the fuck?
Shh, I'm over here on the other side of the car. Turn your head. Oh my God, this is embarrassing.
My bad, I'm sorry.
Can you look out for me, please? Make sure nobody
I
come in.
got you. I know this bitch ain't about to pee in the street. You good?
Woo, a bitch gotta pee.
I mean, you know I live.
Can you stop looking back at me?
You know I live with the block. You could have held.
Not the way this bladder's set up. A bitch almost peed on herself.
It's all good. At least you pick the nice.
Alright, hold up. Side note.
Yo.
I know y'all niggas ever been around a girl that
I'm
had
sorry, I know I'm pissing mad loud. Nah. I gotta look.
Nah, not to violate my mom though. My mom
Can you
dad
stop
had to
looking
do
at my
this
ass?
before I
Real
had to
nasty.
cover the door.
Did she just say I'm nasty?
I don't usually do this shit, but a bitch is drunk. You got tissue though?
You drunk at like 3 o'clock in the
Oh
afternoon?
my God, thank you. You is a
Never
blessing.
know when somebody gonna need some tissue, right?
You better not tell nobody about this.
Yo, dead ass. This some real hood relationship goal shit.
I'm done.
Good.
You know me and you go together now. Dead ass. Shit after what you saw.
Hey, DK!
Funny too, but
DK, who the fuck is this?
It's my new best friend.
Yeah,
Explain yourself to this nigga.
Who the fuck is he?
DK, what the fuck you mean your new best friend?
Do some shit, bro.
What the fuck you mean ain't your best friend? Get out my shit!
Jealous, my nigga?
Yeah, I'm jealous! You my best friend, DK!
What you gonna do, nigga?
What you mean?
Fuck up,
Nigga, DK! Fuck him up! DK, you want to be my best friend? What's wrong with you, nigga? Relax, nigga! DK, you want to be my best friend? Y'all telling me?
Shut up.
You want to be my best friend, DK?
You smoke, DK? You smoke?
DK, that's my money. I'm going to spend it with you.
Fuck up, fat boy.
DK!
Fuck out. You been having too much
DK, that is you my friend. DK! For that suck ass nigga, he a bitch.
Yo, nah, hold up. My son got on the 8-inch sweeps?
You a bitch. That's your friend. And that's your friend.
Nah, this the most New York video ever.
that shit was not funny. I'm sorry.
Nigga, but I'm saying he got on 8-inch weeds though.
Everything I got you.
So what? It's
You a
gifts.
fucking bum ass, my man.
Yeah, but whatever. So, and?
And the watch? And the watch?
What about the watch?
I want the watch back. You ain't getting no
Yo,
picture
take
of
the
the watch.
fucking
I got
bum
you.
ass watch. It probably
Yes.
fake anyway. Yeah.
And the fucking coat, bitch. And the fucking coat.
Yo, it's
I
too
want the
cold.
fucking coat.
You petty, man.
Yo,
Don't
mind
do
your
this.
fucking
Please chill
business.
out. Yo.
Mind your fucking business. You went on the shit. I got him too. And that shit ain't even your side. That's not your side, bitch.
Give it up.
Get
Give it
naked.
up, bro. I'm getting money out of it anyway. Yeah, take
It's
all
a
your
cold
shit.
fucking world. Let's go.
Y'all gonna do
Let's
this
go.
tonight, though?
Run this shit. Run this shit. Hurry the fuck up.
fucking
Hurry the
Nigga
fuck
stepped on
up.
the back of the head.
Hurry the fuck up.
I'll tell you one thing, you not getting these fucking butters back.
Give me the
Get
butters.
these butters back.
Give me the butters.
What you gonna do for these?
Give me the fucking butters.
Stop. Back,
Give me
back,
the
back.
fucking Get the hey, yo. Hey, yo. Come on, grab her, bro. Get the fuck off my Timbs. Get off my Timbs. Get the fuck off my Timbs.
Why you? Hey, yo, can you get off my Timbs?
After I put my tears in, we
She
leaving.
look good.
What you mean?
I just remember this nigga come to my fucking birthday party. Now nigga wanna die, have a funeral, and expect everybody to show up. Nigga want mad attention. I'm not
We
going
got
to
the
that shit.
That's supposed to be your day one, Ty.
Baby, if he was my day one, he'd have been at my birthday party, right? He didn't show up. I went to his birthday party.
That's real fucking petty.
How? I went to this nigga baby shower, went to all his shit. Everybody want them to show up at their events, and then nigga die. Nigga want niggas to join their funeral. It don't work that way. I'm not going.
So you put your whole Easter outfit on for no reason.
I'm not going. I'm not going to this nigga's funeral. I don't care, B.
The nigga owed me money and I'm still going.
So good luck getting your money back at a nigga funeral. Funeral was just boring. Nigga gonna be laying there like this. Everybody crying. What the fuck is that? That's
Yo,
boring. My birthday party was
right.
lit.
Nigga is
God was
retarded.
popping. Everybody was lit. Niggas getting drunk, having fun. Music. Fucking funeral. That shit is whack. Nigga, I'm not going.
You
I don't
so
care.
fucking petty.
I'm petty. You putting fake tears in your eyes to go to this nigga's funeral.
My eyes are dry.
You really sad?
My eyes
you
are
really
dry
sad?
and my eyes are dry.
I'm not going. Why I can't start pimping these Instagram bitches?
Go ahead and do it. See what happens.
Why?
Just go ahead and do it and see what
I'm not touching them. I'm pimping these bitches. Let me get some fucking money out here.
Go ahead.
Let me practice. Hey, bitch! You want some money? Come fuck with a nigga like me. No? I say it like that.
You sound stink.
Hey, bitch. You You want some money? Come
Ew,
fuck
you
with a
trying to
nigga
go
like
get-
me.
Ew, what?
How the fuck? I gotta go. I gotta get these. We gotta get these bitches, baby. What's up? What's up? You ready to run this
You
shit?
gotta get no bitches. I'm about to run you right in your face.
Why you doing
That's
this?
some
You
New
trying-
York shit.
Practice. You trying to get these Instagram hoes, get some money. Everybody else get money. Let's get some fucking money out here. Hey, bitch. You better have my motherfucking money by Tuesday. You hear me? Our money.
Coochie wet.
Yeah. Fresh out.
Ain't nothing
Ain't
that
nothing to go back. Fresh out, nigga. Ain't nothing to
Yo,
go
he's
back. Tell her, what should I say? No key, yeah.
Niggas don't want to break in no more. What the fuck do you want, Fresh Out?
Feliz Nazi Nazi.
You dead ass got me a get.
Yeah.
What you trying to get some ass?
I hope so. Let me in, girl. Let me in. Come on now.
Oh my
See
god,
what your boy got you.
Reloading
See
that.
what your boy got you. Come on now. Yeah. Fresh out, nigga. Ain't nothing to go
First of
back.
all, I don't even want your ass in here. You think I want a picture of you?
See, I want you two gifts. See, you being stubborn. Look, niggas ain't doing shit like that. 2 gifts. And nails to hang my shit out.
Get the fuck
You know what I'm saying?
Niggas so
Put
mad
your boy
they
on
hang
the
my
wall.
shit up.
Put your boy on the wall. Come on, no kid, don't do it like that. Huh?
Get the fuck out.
Wanna do it like that?
Nigga said, I hope so.
Nigga said, yo, I brought you nails, they hang my shit up.
Nigga dragged it. Nigga said, what you want, some ass? I hope so. Nah, I'm weak, buddy.
Alright, that was Mr. Commodore Compilation. I think that was his latest one. I think so. I can't even check.
I don't know. That shit was funny, though.
Well, that's the end of the video.
Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell.
Bing!
See y'all in the next vid. Be the realest hour.
I'm back on my shit now.